Okay, so sometimes you have a problem where you take a bolt out and maybe as it's coming out it strips or it's bent downward and it ruins the threads on the back side here. And so there is a way that you can fix that. And what you can do is try to come in the bolt hole from the opposite direction like this. And then as you drive this on, it will correct those bent threads as it punches back out through the back side. And so right here as it starts to stiffen up from those last threads being bent, simply put a wrench on it and you'll feel a little bit of tension there as it straightens them back out. Okay. Now as you remove it, you can test it here. So where it was messed up on the other end, now you can put it back through and it threads perfectly fine. So if you start to thread a bolt and you feel like it's going in and cross-threading and it's going in at an angle, not going in straight, and you can access that from the back side, just run the bolt through it through the other way and it'll straighten those threads back out.